Welcome to Demolition Worker, where we unveil the darkest secrets buried beneath the ocean waves in the forgotten depths of history. Doña Paz lies silent in the Philippine waters, a massive graveyard of steel frozen in time since 1987. Maritime tragedy transformed the vessel into a dangerous labyrinth of twisted metal where structural integrity is a constant, deadly. Expert salvage teams cannot risk manual dives into the unstable wreckage, so they deploy autonomous underwater vehicles to map the site. The autonomous robots are equipped with powerful multi-beam sonar arrays designed to penetrate the murky currents and reveal the hidden geometry. Advanced sonar technology creates a precise map of the hull, allowing engineers to visualize the wreck without ever touching the steel. Transmits acoustic signals through the sand, effectively seeing through layers of text concealed internal ship aunts. Engineers pinpoint the exact cargo inside the ship, ensuring they avoid unnecessary cutting or structural damage. Once the targets are identified, the ROV descends into the abyss, guided by expert operators located on the surface support vessel. The robot utilizes a water jet cutter mixed with abrasive particles to slice through steel plates without causing dangerous vibrations or collapses. Precision is key as the water jet slices through the bulkhead, maintaining the delicate equilibrium of the surrounding rusted and fragile structure. Robotic suction system carefully removes layers of silt, slowly revealing items of historical significance left behind by the tragic disaster. The mechanical claw recovers a vintage watch, a poignant reminder of the lives lost in the most deadly peacetime maritime accident. And locked boxes are gathered, each piece carrying a heavy burden of memory from the passengers of the Doña Paz. The artifacts are carefully transported to the surface, marking the successful completion of a complex and highly sensitive deep-sea operation. Back in the laboratory, experts begin in preserving these items to honor their deep spiritual significance. This brass compass from the bridge is a masterpiece of maritime engineering, restored to its former glory for the world collectors. Gold-plated pens and nautical tools now stand as relics of a bygone era, drawing intense interest from private collectors and historians. The auction market for these artifacts is out incredibly with Chris Brown, with collectors willing to pay significant sums for a piece of history. Rachel on Gaz, Grun, Brast, it's reflecting the immense value placed on these rare and tragic maritime mementos. That's it for me. While these objects are commemorative, the market for shipwreck memorabilia remains robust. Hey Dan, Gay, Zithierd Brown. Often reaching millions of dollars for complete collection sets. The story of the Doña Paz is etched into history, a reminder of the fragility of life and the power of memory. Technology continues to bridge the gap between the living and the dead, allowing us to document these silent underwater resting places. Steel, covering the wreckage in a blanket of marine life that softens the harsh edges of destruction, is calculated to minimize impact, ensuring that the sanctity of the wreck is fully maintained, providing high insights into how the disaster unfolded during that fateful night. The location of the crash site remains a point of profound tragedy, forever marked on the maps of the Philippine archipelago, serves as a site for scientific discovery and a tribute to the lost souls. The pressure in the control room is palpable as the team navigates the challenges of deep water exploration and data acquisition. State-of-the-art technology provides the eyes and hands needed to explore the depths where human divers cannot safely go. I'll see. I'm leaving you with course ultras on full. This Graint's ship, navigating the remnants of a tragedy that claimed thousands of human lives. Items left in the cabins serve as haunting reminders of the passengers who never made it to their final destination, is a testament to history, preserved through meticulous work to ensure the story of the vessel survives forever. The salvage experts constantly refine their plans, adapting to the unexpected findings from each mission into the heart of the ship. Sound waves penetrate with Chris Brown. Sound waves penetrate the deep layers of the seafloors that have been hidden for over 3 decades of silence. Hidden compartments are revealed through acoustic imaging, showing the location of safes that might contain records of the fateful final voyage. Moving into the baggage hold, the robot scans the area for any artifacts that reveal the daily lives of the passengers. Siphon, opening a pathway in its task with surgical precision that has been 1987. Each item representing a piece of the puzzle regarding the ship's tragic final hours. As the mission concludes, the robot rises to the surface, carrying with it the artifacts that tell a story of tragedy. The team carefully retrieves the items from the basket, ensuring that no damage occurs to these fragile pieces of maritime history. Every item is documented, photographed, and cleaned. Every item the historical legacies of the victims and the ship for future generations now. A symbol of love and commitment that survived the disaster and the long years under the sea. Steed analyzed the gold ring noting its design and craftsmanship, which adds to the understanding of the passengers on the vessel. Relics is high as collectors recognize the importance of preserving items from one of history's greatest tragedies, serving as a reminder of the artistic and personal items lost at sea. A place of reflection for those who remember the lives lost in the catastrophic collision. Captured to ensure a complete record of the vessel exists for those who studies the history of shipping. Powerful currents continue to shape the site, slowly moving the debris and changing the appearance of the wreck over many years. Researchers synthesize the data to create a comprehensive understanding of the disaster, helping to prevent such occurrences in the future years. Now, displayed in a museum, the brass compass tells a story of the vessel to visitors who learn about the tragedy. Visitors reflect on our history of the ship, gaining a deeper perspective on the impact of the tragedy on local communities. The ocean remains vast, hiding the secrets of the past while the world moves forward with lessons learned today. The retrieval of the ROV marks the end of this expedition, a successful venture into the depths of the dark ocean. Equipment is carefully packed and secured, ready for the long journey back to the laboratory for further analysis and future missions. Is it Sinope Mine? As the vessel departs, the site turns to quiet state, a place of history and memory beneath the blue waves. Artifacts recovered serve as a testament to the dedication of the team in preserving the memory of the vessel's passengers. The contrast between the ship's glory and its current state serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of human existence. We hope this exploration provided clarity on the tragic events and the advanced technology used to uncover the hidden maritime history. Thank Congress for joining Demolition Worker on this journey, and we look forward to uncovering more secrets of history very soon. Technology continues to advance, ensuring that our understanding of the past becomes clearer with every successful mission into the deep sea. Navigating the complex currents requires immense skill and advanced equipment, ensuring the safety of the entire salvage team during every dive. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the lives of the individuals who were on board that tragic and fateful night. As it restores the dignity is tedious but essential, as restores the epical value of every object we have recovered. To interpret the wreckage more accurately, leading to new insights about the ship's structural failure points. Comparing the original designs with current scans reveals the extent of the damage caused by the collision and the subsequent fire. The scale of the vessel is immense, and documenting its remains requires a systematic approach to ensure every detail is captured. These items represent the personal lives that were interrupted, serving as a reminder of the human cost of this major disaster. The upper decks present new challenges, as the structure is even more unstable and requires extreme caution during the exploration phase. Multi-beam sonar provides the foundation for our exploration, allowing us to see the environment in ways that were previously simply impossible. Recovering the compass was a major achievement, as it is one of the most significant artifacts found on the entire wreck. Paid off, and the recovery of such a valuable piece of history is a moment of great pride. The craftsmanship of the compass is stunning, a testament to the quality of maritime instruments from the era of the ship. Preserving these items in museums ensures that the story of the vessel will be told to many people for years ahead. The value placed on these artifacts reflects their historical importance and the desire of people to connect with the past events. I'm leaving you with Chris Brown. Working in the dark requires intense focus as the team navigates the challenges of the underwater environment with great skill today. It is essential for understanding the environment around the wreck, ensuring the safety of the entire salvage mission team. The technology allows car cutting is highly accessed rooms without causing any further damage to them. And the collection provides valuable insights into the life on board the ship. The control room is the heart of the operation, where every decision is made with the goal of achieving mission success today. The wreck remains a place of reflection, a testament to the history of maritime disasters and the resilience of human memory, reminding us of the personal stories that were lost in the tragic ship accident, ensuring that every piece of information is recorded for future historical studies today, requiring the expertise of the entire salvage team to ensure everything is handled properly. The geography of the site is important as it helps us understand the conditions that led to the tragic ship collision. The visual data captured by the ROV provides a clear picture of the ship's current state and the challenges of exploration. A poignant reminder of the lives that were changed by the tragic maritime accident. Combining historical records with modern data allows the researchers to reconstruct the events of that night with high levels of accuracy. Exploring the deck provides insight into the ship's layout and the conditions on board during the tragic final hours of travel. Each object in the collection is significant, contributing to a better understanding of the ship and the lives of those passengers. The final recovery is a small brass key, a piece of history that will be preserved along with the other recovered items. The mission is now complete, and the team prepares for the journey home, reflecting on the success of the historical recovery. The team is exhausted but satisfied, knowing they have achieved their goals and preserved important pieces of maritime history for everyone. As the ship sails away, Doña Paz remains a part of the history we continue to learn about. Success, and we are proud to have shared the story of the vessel with you all today here. To subscribe to Demolition Worker for more historical deep sea dives. And hope you enjoyed this deep exploration of maritime history on our channel Demolition Worker today.